the act of repetition. That what we do over and over again leaves an imprint in our heads, in our hearts, in our mind. It doesn't matter what you repeatedly do, as long as you do something repeatedly. For me, it has always been nature. I've promised myself that every single day, something from the nature I will draw. It could be leaves, it could be flowers, it could be just the green color on a sheet of paper. But the act of repetition helps us get stronger, helps us understand that when we repeat things, they not only have an effect on our physical world, but also in our subconscious mind. Whatever you choose, a line, a circle, a dot, a leaf, if you tell yourself that you're going to draw that every single day, it will soon become you and you will become it. And then the dance happens. That is when magic happens, because you're not drawing that anymore. You're just letting it be drawn through you. And in that moment, you create beauty. Beauty that speaks to the soul. Beauty that connects you to your soul. Beauty that is understood and seen by all. Every single day, remind yourself, whatever it is that you do, when you do it consciously and you repeat it daily, it becomes you and you become it. It doesn't really have to be a painting or a dot or a leaf or anything. It's also in a cup of tea. It could also be the moments you spend with yourself. It could be in anything that you do repeatedly for yourself consciously, telling your mind and heart, this is for you. This is when I stop to value you, to embrace you, to tell you you've gone through life and I'm holding you and you are holding me and together we are one. Acknowledging your soul is so important, and the act of repetition helps us through that. It helps us journey within to understand why we're here and let the soul speak through the act of repetition. When you start, it might not be very easy, but remember to give yourself the time. Nothing happens overnight. Everything is built in time, slowly, one dot at a time, one day at a time, one breath at a time. It is you who chooses. It is you who chooses what you are here to do. Do that what you love doing every single day. For that what you love becomes you and you become it. Be conscious, be alive, dream big, and just be